Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to install a rear 10-inch customer monitor onto the back of the VariPOS 815S computer. All you will need is the display itself, a Phillips head screwdriver, and these 4 screws, which you will find in this little plastic bag that comes with the rear display. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the upper rear port cover from the computer by just sliding it up and off. Now you'll notice that on the back here there are 4 screw holes that we're going to be using to screw the monitor into. Now on the back of the monitor itself you have these 2 posts, each with 2 screw holes. This post on the right is going to slide into this slot. So we're going to take the monitor and slide the post into the slot. And now we're going to attach the 4 screws. So we have these 4 screw holes right here that we will put the screws into. Okay, there's one. There's 2. Number 3. And the last one. Okay, next we're going to open this cord routing cover and put the cable underneath it to keep it in place. And then we're going to connect the cable to the port that says VGA. So we will connect the connector and screw it into place. Lastly, we will take the port cover and slide it back on to the back of the computer. Your rear customer display can tilt back and forth to get it at the desired angle. And now we are done. We now have the rear 10-inch customer monitor applied to the back of the computer.